14-day free trial to Builderall. What does it mean to you? Stay to the end because I've got some exclusive super duper bonuses for you. I'm going to show you what Builderall is. No doubt you know if you've been watching me a long time. You get 14 days for free. It's not just a website builder. You can do pop-ups. You can do a diary calendar on your website. You can do social proof. You don't need any technical skills because most of it's done for you these days. It's just drag and drop. So anybody can do this, and it's all in one box. So you don't have to have Aweber or Get Response in addition. You don't have to pay 200 quid for a webinar builder a month. WhatsApp automation is included, and that's dead easy. Chatbot, booking system, as I said. You can do your own courses, you can host videos, you can use click maps. Basically, you build your list, lower your costs, because it's all in one box. You don't have to pay 10 different times for 10 different products. It's 50 products for one price. Right, so the products are sales funnels, emails, appointments, webinars, e-learning. That's like Netflix, and it's so easy to do as well. If you've seen my videos how to make it. Chatbots. Ian's already done a course which will be available quite soon. We've got over 100,000 happy users. Okay. Now the bonuses. When you join Team Awesome, actually that's worth its weight in gold. Let me show you this bit. If you want to do a ChatGPT question, all you have to do is write your prompting down. It gets sent to you by an email, so it's easier to actually separate. That is better quality than ChatGPT because Shelley has already paid for it and you get it for free. You can do a social media planner, the traffic boosters with the banner graphics. Now let me just show you this quickly. I'm only going to show you 3 of these, so bear with me. And there's a mindset thing at the end. All these traffic boosters you get free access to. The ones in 2s are Shelley's own, so you never have to buy traffic and you never have to click on links and open it for 20 seconds. The others, you do it. But you can still do your banners, which you've got some already done for you, which are there. I want to show you the lead magnet funnels. Okay. There is too much to show you inside here. You get free software as well when you go to the trainings. If you want a lead magnet and you don't know what one is, it's how to build your list with a free gift. All you do is you add your funnel, press the button and it downloads into Builderall and you've got it. Okay, so there's quite a few of those. There's some 30-day email challenges. There's so much in here about this. There's bonus courses, email marketing, launch jacking. There's so much in here that it would take too long. Okay, I want to show you this as well because as well you can get 5 ebooks on mindset, living a life of contentment, simple productivity, and you can give these away as bonuses for your team. Okay, unlock your full potential. There's 5 of them. Better habits, finding balance, living a life of contentment. It's not only online marketing, it's teamwork, it's family, it's people having your back if you make a mistake or you forgot to put a link in an email. People will help you. They become your online family. So click the link below, subscribe, and I'll see you on the inside.